US30 is getting more and more popular and everybody seems to want to be trading it. And from experience, I've had more success with US30 than any other forex pair. I'm going to show you in this video a step-by-step process on how to start trading US30 as soon as today. Yes, today, not tomorrow. If you do want to learn my exact US30 strategy, make sure you DM me on Instagram. There should be a link in the description where you can DM me. And if you guys could show some type of love, drop a comment below, like this video, and if you're not subscribed yet, definitely hit that subscribe button. I have a ton of content based around US30. Now without further ado, let's get into my computer. A lot of you are probably wondering what US30 is, and this is something that is very important to actually understand what it is before you go and trade it and you're all confused. So US30 is actually an index. This is not a forex pair. And I know a lot of you are probably used to forex pairs like Euro USD, USD JPY. When I heard about US30, I was a little confused. I was like, wait, US30, what exactly is this? So you guys need to understand that US30 is actually the Dow Jones, and the Dow Jones is an index. And the reason why it says US30 is because it consists of the top 30 companies in America. So companies like Tesla, Visa, Caterpillar, United Health Group, companies like that are going to be consistent in the Dow Jones. And this is very important for you guys to understand. Now also understand that US30 is very volatile. The pip count is extremely high compared to forex pairs. Like if we look at the chart right here, from this low to this high, this is 4,500 pips right here. This is not 453 pips. This is 453 points, but it's 4,500 pips, which if you use a 0.01, you would have made $450 right there. But same thing applies. If you were to take that trade in a loss, you would have just lost $450. So understand that US30 is much more different than any other forex pair or any pair that you guys have ever traded before. Now, this is a broker that actually has US30 on it, and I did link the link for this broker in the description of this video. So you guys will be a part of my team. They'll understand, and once you guys sign up with the link that I gave you below, they'll see that you're a part of my team, and they'll actually probably treat you a lot better. But you're just going to go right here, you're going to sign up. You can see that it has 55 currencies. So indices, if we go right here, you can see we have US30, JUR30, FRA 40, ESP, NAS 100 is another pair, and then the S&P 500. But we're mainly focused on US30 right here. They do have it on there for you guys to sign up. The sign up process is extremely easy. And I love Hugo's Way because their support team is absolutely amazing. They will get back to you within minutes. I have withdrawn over $26,000 in a day with this broker. So they do give you your money for sure. And overall, they're a great broker. Now let's go over the lot sizes with US30. Super important to know. And I actually did make a more in-depth video about this right here. Never blow an account on US30, or the quickest way to get to 100,000 with US30. This is the video that I made that will explain it more in depth. But I do have a chart right here. So this is with Hugo's Way. Since I did recommend you guys get Hugo's Way, this is the lot size that you guys should be using. And I would not recommend trading US30 without at least $1,000 in your trading account. And even with $1,000, that's still going to be a little risky. So for every $1,000 that you guys have in your account, you're going to use a 0.01 lot size. So if I catch 1,000 pips on a 0.01 lot size, I'm going to make $100. If I catch 2,000 pips, I'm going to make $200, which is pretty good. Like on US30, you definitely can catch like 2,000 to 3,000, even 4,000 pips per trade. US30 definitely moves. And if you guys go back and back test it and look at all the moves that they have, like from the market open right here at 6:15, just down to this low right here, 1,500 pips in a matter of 15 minutes. Okay. Now, if we go back, we can see for every $10,000 that you have, you're going to use a 0.10 lot size. So if I catch 1,000 pips on a 10 lot right here, or 0.10 lot, then I'm going to make $1,000. When you have like $10,000 in your trading account and you're trading US30, that's when it really gets fun. And if you have real money to invest, if you have $100,000, you're going to use a one lot. So if I catch 1,000 pips, I'm going to make $10,000 in one trade. So obviously you have to look at the prices and understand everything with Hugo's way, but the best way to measure the amount of pips is right here with this ruler tool on TradingView. Go right here and drag it up, boom, 1,870 pips right there. Okay, let's go back to here. Here's a cheat code. You can use a bigger lot size if you have a smaller stop loss. So let's say we have $1,000 in our trading account and we're risking 10% of our capital, which is absolutely absurd. I would never do that, but you kind of have to with US30 if you're using small amounts of money. And let's say we have a stop loss at 20 pips. Usually we would use a 10 lot size, but 10% of $1,000 using a 10 lot size means we would have to go negative 100 pips to hit $100 in losses. We can use a 50 lot size and risk 20 pips to equal $100. 10%, you can use a bigger lot size if you have a smaller stop loss. So this is really correlating with forex pairs, but you guys can do the math and correlate it with forex pairs as well. With indices though, you have to kind of use a bigger lot size. Okay, I want to give you guys the times to trade US30. The New York session is the best time to trade US30, hands down. There is no other session that has as big of moves during the New York session. The London is, it's alright, but the New York session is definitely the session to trade during or trading with US30. And here's the thing, you need to understand that at 9:30 a.m. in New York, Chicago, all these other places, like New York obviously is what we're focused on. That's like the overall center of the stock market and the equities market and when things are really happening. So at 9:30 a.m. is ding, ding, ding. That's the market open bell. So that's when all the investors, the hedge funds, the banks, that's when all the money is ideally circulating in the United States. And that's why we're going to be seeing such big moves at this specific time, 6:30 a.m. PST and 9:30 a.m. EST, is because that's when all the money is fluctuating in and out of the market. So that's the ideal time that you want to be trading. And let me show you guys really quick. We can see right here on the minute 15 time frame, we're looking at this candle. And look at the time down here that I'm looking at. It says 6:15. This candle opens at 6:15, closes at 6:30. That is your ideal candle that you want to be entering on when you're trading US30. Now let's go to the other time frames because we have to understand that there's certain time frames that correlate with that 6:30 a.m. PST. So we have the first time frame that we're looking at right now is the minute 15. We're going to be looking at this candle right here, the 6:15 to 6:30. Then we have the minute 30. This candle will actually work as well. We're going to be looking at this candle, the 6 a.m. to 6:30. And a lot of the time when I'm trading, guys, I'm literally just looking at the previous candle and seeing what it did. If it's already bullish, the 6:30 to 6:45 candle right here is most likely, or the 6:30 to 7 a.m. candle is most likely going to be bullish as well. So we have the minute 15 we can look at the so on the minute 15 we can look at the 6:15 to 6:30 candle. Then we have the minute 30, we can look at the 6 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. candle and see how that closed. And then the last time frame that we can use is the 5 minute. So if we're looking at the 5 minute, we're going to be looking at this candle, the 6:25 to 6:30 candle. So it opens at 6:25, closes at 6:30. And I'm telling you guys right now, timing is so important with US30. You need to make sure you're trading at the right time. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you got some type of value. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.